Hey y'all, so today I'm going to show you how you can make a Bitmoji classroom using PowerPoint. I have a video already explaining this process through Google Slides, and it's very similar. So we're just going to go through and I'm going to explain the basics. We're not going to get into all the fancy details or anything like that. This is just a basic Bitmoji style classroom, like for a banner, or if you want to have clickable links, you can look at my other videos for that. So we're just going to do the Bitmoji picture in the background. So you're going to start with a blank slide. So delete all the text boxes that are in there. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to edit the background. So you're going to double click or right click and you're going to format background. You can do a solid background, that just means a solid color, but most of us like to do a picture. So you're going to click picture and you're going to go to insert, and you can do a picture from a file on your computer, stock images that are already downloaded to your computer when you buy it, or online pictures. We're going to click online pictures for today. And then we're going to search full wall and floor. All right, and you can do full wall and floor background if you want to get more specific. All right, so I like this one. We'll go with this one. Insert, and now this is going to make it your background. So now you have your background and you can start adding things to make it look like your classroom, to make it fit your personality, whatever you want to do. So now you're going to insert, and I'm going to insert a whiteboard because generally we have a whiteboard in our classrooms or a screen projector. So you can again pick a picture from this device, your stock images or online images, and I'm going to click online images, and then I'm going to search transparent whiteboard, and I'm going to do transparent because I want the background of the whiteboard to be transparent so it looks like it's actually in this room. It doesn't have white space in this area right here. It is transparent. So now I'm going to drag it and put it like it's on the floor, and you can insert a text box. So insert text box, and you can write something or a message onto the student for the students. So welcome to PE. Complete the module by clicking the button below. All right, now you can edit that text. So home, center it. And the reason I like using PowerPoint a lot of times more than Google Slides, if you're not going to edit it every day. If you're going to edit it every day, I would use Google Slides because you can edit it in there and it automatically edits in your Canvas course when it's embedded. But this is just, say it's going to be up there all year. I like this because you can pick the fonts that you have downloaded instead of using the fonts that are given to you by Google. And it can be more customizable to your personality, I think. So you're going, oh, too big. You're going to edit it, make sure the students can read it. All right, now I'm going to add in a reading type area because I would usually have that in my class. Insert pictures. Again, I'm going to go to online and I'm going to do a transparent couch. And again, this is just so it fits into the picture frame, into the frame, but then so it also does not have a white background and it flushes with what you have already. So we have our couch, and now maybe you want your Bitmoji to be on your couch. So what you need to do is you need to go to the internet, go to your Bitmoji extension. This is just downloaded from bitmoji.com, add it as an extension to Chrome, and then go to that. And I've already saved one of my Bitmojis, so let's go back. Not saved, but found her. And so she's reading. All right, it might want us to save it on the computer. So let's minimize this, and we're going to save my Bitmoji to the computer. So we save her on my desktop. So now we just go to PowerPoint, insert picture again, this device this time because I saved her onto the computer. Go to desktop. Here she is. We're going to insert her, and then we're going to make her fit on the couch. She's massive, so let's make her a little bit smaller. All right, very good. It looks like she's just chilling there. You can hide this pillow. There we go. I think that looks good. All right, so now you have this blank space. You can do a shelf right here and then put, if you want manipulatives or links, you could do that, whatever you want to do. So let's just do one more picture and remind you how to do that. Insert picture, online pictures. Remember, you're going to put transparent, bookshelf. Let's see. The bookshelf. Okay, we need to find one. This looks like it's floating, so this one might be good. So this is, I don't really like how this looks with everything else, but I like the idea of this floating bookshelf. So now you can insert different objects on this bookshelf if you wanted to, like a calculator, an abacus, whatever you want to insert, you could do that. So let's try that. Insert pictures, online pictures. And I like using online pictures that are free for you to use because you don't have to save them to your computer or take up computer space. So that's always a win for me. So we'll just do a calculator. I'll do one standing up so it'll fit easier on. Right, there you go. And so now it looks like it's on our shelf, and you can do the same thing. You can add books. If you're doing a read aloud, you can add the cover of the book so the students can click that and go to that book, all that fun stuff. Remember, make it yourself. Don't try to do too much because you don't want to be too overstimulating for your students, but you want it to show your personality as well. And you want it to look welcoming and inviting just like your classroom would. So remember, have fun.